Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to several reasons, such as a faulty power supply, a drained battery, or internal hardware problems. If left unresolved, it could lead to more severe damage and data loss. Therefore, addressing the problem promptly is crucial. To get started with the repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery or power supply, depending on what you discovered during diagnosis. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the back cover of your Acer N19H2. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips. Once opened, locate the battery or power supply connection. Inspect the battery for any signs of swelling or damage. If you find a faulty component, disconnect it gently by removing the screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Keep track of which screws belong where, as they can vary in size. When extracting the battery or power supply, be careful not to touch other components nearby. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the faulty component is removed, install the new battery or power supply by reversing the previous steps. Secure it with the screws, ensuring they are tightened but not overly forced, as this could damage the device. After everything is connected, replace the back cover of your Acer N19H2, pressing firmly to ensure it clicks back into place. Finally, plug in the device and attempt to power it on. If it turns on successfully, congratulations! You've completed the repair. To prevent this problem from occurring again, ensure you regularly check the health of your battery and avoid leaving your device plugged in for excessive periods. Keeping your device clean and ensuring proper ventilation can also help prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.